more women to take on these roles. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to Women's Parliamentary Caucus for organizing this important event. Women Parliamentary Caucus in itself denotes women's political empowerment in Islamic and their meaningful role in politics. I am a staunch believer of women emancipation. I firmly believe that when women are empowered, nations become stronger and more prosperous. I have always provided unwavering support for greater female representation and participation in politics. A true democracy cannot exist without meaningful engagement